Hello there.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I bought a new gaming PC. Wanna see? Come on. So welcome back, and I got a new gaming PC, boys. Finally, my dream has. Never mind. Finally, my dream. 4 years of begging. Bought me a new gaming PC, guys. I'm so excited. Let's go. So look at this. I cleaned the table, and this is my laptop, and there's some online class going on. You're not supposed to watch it.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Are you ready? This is Lenovo inbuilt PC. I bought it from Amazon, and holy shit! Let's unbox it together. I hope I'm muted. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
6.5 hours later.
Just technical issue. Once again. Go! Oh yeah! Finally, I want a new game, PC boy! It's been my dream. Finally, I'm a PC gamer now. No more laptop gaming, guys. An extreme multiple games without no freaking lags. This is super sharp, so I'm really careful. Done. Because here we go. I hope I'm muted. Oh, we got it. Okay. Bubble wrap.
Yeah, boy.
There we go, guys. And here we go. The first box. What is this thing? This serious box. Ah. Okay, guys, we got the cable. The CPU cable. The quality is pretty nice. And we got a mouse. Free mouse. I will leave it in the description, so make sure you check it out. Yep, cable connection done. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Setup guide. Okay, what does it say? Okay, forget. And this is a keyboard, Lenovo. It's all free, yes, obviously. I mean, you have to pay money. Doing something I'm not supposed to do. Tada, yeah, it's a nice keyboard, I guess. Yep. Not gonna open this. These are boring stuff, guys. Let's get to the PC. And here we go. Okay. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Ah. Yep. Guys. Finally. Finally. This is actually pretty small. I thought it would be a little big, to be honest. It's pretty small. The PC, guys. Finally. We got the power button. Yep. Get start connecting things. I got a new monitor, by the way. This is LG. Very nice. 21.5 inch. It's 75 Hz. I couldn't afford more, so yeah. So I can keep this one here. Ready? Oh yeah, look at this. Guys, look at this. Okay, it's booting. So it's working perfectly fine. And this is the final look, guys. So guys, I finally fixed it. So this is my CPU. This is my speaker. And that's my speaker. And it's my network cable. This is mouse, webcam. Webcam's right here. Yep. And the power supply and the monitor cable, you know, it is connected to Elgato. I use this for recording now, Elgato HD60S. So I finally set up everything, and this is how it looks. Pretty messy. I didn't connect the wires and stuff. Oh, just fell. Never mind. And the front, I connected my headphone. And what the hell? Oh, this is Elgato. Yep. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it. If you like this video, like it, or else don't do it. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.